Hi, good morning. Our next topic is lesson number 4, operations on fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is division of numbers. Let's recall. Let's divide the apples equally between two children. If there are 6 apples, then how to divide into two children? Tell me how to divide. Which mathematical operations do we use? Very good. Division. So we 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So each one will get 3 apples. If there are 4 apples equally divided by 2 children, then again you 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then each one will get 2 apples. Like this, if there is only 1 apple, then how to divide it? Same procedure, 1 divided by 2, but we can't do like this because 1 is less than 2. So we divide 1 upon 2 means half. Each one will get half apples. If there are 7 apples divided by 2 children, then also you write 7 divided by 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. Here is we got numerator and denominator. 7 is numerator and 2 is denominator. This type of number is called fraction. In standard 5th, you have learned about equivalent fraction. But what is fraction? Fraction is a division of number. If one bhakri is divided equally between two people, each one will get half bhakri. The fraction half is written as 1 upon 2. Here 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. It is called fraction. One bhakri was divided into 4 equal parts. 2 of the parts were given away. This is shown as 2 upon 4. Means half bhakri was given. It means that the value of two fraction is the same. This is written as 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6. Such fraction of equal value are called equivalent fraction. In mathematics, a rational number is a number that can be expressed as the fraction p upon q of two integers. Here p is the numerator and q is the non-zero denominator. Every integer is a rational number. Let's learn conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. There are two methods. First method is rational number p upon q, but q is not equal to 0. P upon q is equal to p into 1 upon q, multiple of unit fraction. It is also called as p by 1 upon q. Here is one example for you. 18 upon 7 is equal to 18 by 1 upon 7. Whenever you want to show fraction on number line on 18 upon 7, 7 is the denominator and denominator shows unit length. Here is a number line and there is the unit length. Every unit length is divided into equal parts by denominator is 7. Here is denominator 7. So we make the equal parts 0 to 1 by 7. Again 1 to 2 also there is a 7 parts. And numerator is 18. So numerator tells me number of such parts. Here is blue color line on the upside of the number line. Here is 18 parts of that blue color line. 1 to 0 to 1 here is a 7 parts and 1 to 7 also there is a 7 parts. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 and after 2 there are the 4 parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So blue color line shows up to the 2 and 4 parts. So you write here 18 upon 7 is equal to 7 is the number, and after 2 there are the 4 parts. So you write numerator 4. So what is the answer of that conversion of improper fraction into mixed number? 18 upon 7 is the improper fraction, and 4 upon 7 is the mixed number. Conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. There is second method. Example: if 7 apples are divided equally between 2 people, how many will each one get? Here is 7 apples and 2 people. So we write 7 upon 2 is the improper fraction. So we divide 7 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So you write 7 minus 6. That is, answer will be 1. 1 is the remainder, 3 is the quotient, 2 is the divisor, and 7 is the dividend. And then we write divisor as a denominator and quotient is whole number. So you write 7 upon 2 is equal to 3. 1 is the numerator. You write remainder as a numerator and 2 is the denominator. So 1 upon 2. So answer is 3 1 upon 2. So each will get 3 full apples and 1 upon 2 apples, means each will get 3.5 apple. While dividing, we take care to see that the remainder is smaller than the divisor. As a result, in the mixed number, the numerator of fractional part is smaller than its denominator. Next topic is conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. Here 3 2 upon 5 is a mixed number. Now see how to convert into improper fraction. 3 2 upon 5. Here is 3 is a whole number. So you write 3 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 1 plus 2 upon 5. Now in 3 upon 1, here is a 1 is the denominator, and in 2 upon 5, 5 is the denominator. Now we first convert fraction in equivalent by LCM. So you multiplied 1 by 5. When you multiplied denominator with one number, that time you multiplied numerator also that number. So you multiplied 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 also. So you write here 3 multiplied by 5 upon 1 multiplied by 5 plus 2 upon 5. So 3 5s are 15. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 upon 5. Now you write denominator only one time is equal to 15 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 17 upon 5. You can solve this sum in another method also, direct method. 3 2 upon 5 is equal to, you multiplied that whole number with denominator, then you write 3 multiplied by 5 and you add numerator, then you write 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 upon 5. So you directly write the answer 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 17 upon 5. Addition and subtraction of mixed number. Add 5 1 upon 2 plus 2 3 upon 4. There are two methods. In first method, 5 1 upon 2 plus 2 3 upon 4. 5 and 2 are the whole numbers. So first you add the whole numbers 5 plus 2 and then you write 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4. Now here are the denominator are 2 and 4. So you convert denominator into equivalent. So 2 and 4 by LCM method you convert denominator equivalent. So you write 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and again you multiplied 2 by 2 and same as 1 by 2. So you multiplied 1 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 upon 4. Now is equal to 7 plus, now 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now denominator are equal, is equal to 7 plus 2 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 7 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So you write 7 plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 7 plus 1 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and here is the answer is 8 1 upon 4. Now second method, 5 1 upon 2 plus 2 3 upon 4. You directly multiply denominator with plus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 is equal to 5 to the 10 plus 1 11. So you write is equal to 11 upon 2, and plus 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 11. Again here plus 11 upon 4. Now here also 2 and 4 are the denominator. So we convert denominator equivalent by LCM method. Again 11 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 2 plus 11 upon 4. Now 11 2s are 22 and 2 2s are 4 and plus 11 upon 4. Now add 22 plus 11 is equal to 33, and you write denominator only one time. So 33 upon 4. Again you convert that improper fraction into mixed number and then write 8 1 upon 4. Rules for addition or subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means different denominator. To add or subtract fraction with different denominators, we need to do some extra steps. Step 1. Given two unlike fractions where the denominator are not the same, means a upon b plus c upon d. Here b and d are the different denominators. Step 2. Make the denominators the same by finding the least common multiple of their denominator. Step 3. Rewrite each fraction into its equivalent fraction with the denominator which is equal to the least common multiple that you found in step 2. Step 4. Now add or subtract the new fraction from step 3. Always reduce the answer to its lowest term. Now homework for you. Solve practice set 9 and 10.